guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, once again, down Swanage Railway. Today, 80146, class, BR class 4 empty tanks running today. Let's have a look around the engine shed. So there we are, yep, there's the 30053 M7 over there, getting its boiler cleaned out. There we are, today's run up. Oh, looks like we've got a dining service as well. Manston's over there, down the corner. Just getting ready to move it. Yeah. Okay. See, the whole thing just moved. Now we're going to move this by hand. I'm going to move it by hand now, turn it around the other way to hook up to the coach circular. Never seen this before. I think. Done now. Now that is what you call a definition of releasing the pressure. That. All that pressure in the boiler from the build-up of, well, you boil water and you get steam pressure. That was all kept in the boiler, was ready to be pushed down to the pistons when it starts to move. Never seen that before though. Go on then, just scare me. Why don't you? Just scare me with the whistle. Filling the coal. And I'm filling it with water. Because now it doesn't have the coal. You're in the strong country. Nearly finished, everyone. Takes a while to water an engine and of course put coal in. But yeah, they're almost done. She's ready to go. Listen to that sound, everyone. Look at that. Right, so it's my favourite engine, everyone. 34070 Manston. Fully Pacific, Battle of Britain class. Big hunk of metal, really. We've got a dining car service over there, you probably won't be able to see it. But sorry for the wind, by the way, as well. Oh look, signal box. Look, we're on the station and I come across a Ben. Look, there's Ben. There's Ben. Up there with the volunteer. So we've just seen it come out. Standard forecast. And yeah, here's the engine shed, really, it's Swanage. Nice little M7 there. Swanage. Doing some sort of event over there. Hello, water. Dan, if you ever watch this, yeah. Right, okay, so we might be heading back now. Because, well, we got to collect the dad from his work because my mum's car's sold. So we need to collect him. And, yeah, we're just going past Manston. I'll show you that right now. There it is. Stunning locomotive, and that. Probably going to buy a Hornby one when I got the money, if I ever get the money. But right now we're just coming across to the little bridge to go over where the engine shed is.
Right, so I've returned back down Swanage Railway, come to collect my brother from this thing, so you can get the train coming in. it. Just tell me if it's black.
Coffee drive would have stopped right there.